Hey everybody, I'm Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm gonna unbox my Foxy Fix notebook. You could have blown me over with a feather when this baby showed up. This is something I ordered on Thanksgiving. My whole family, well, my husband's family was staying here with us, and I was doing some online shopping in the midst of all the chaos. I don't know if it was, I don't know if it could be considered stress shopping. They don't really stress me out, but it's just a lot of people. And I ordered this notebook. My husband and I got into bed that night.
I was like, babe, I've been online. I don't know. He's like, it's okay. Just do what you gotta do.
This was a husband sanctioned for my sanity on Thanksgiving. Oh, so Foxy Fix. I've been seeing a ton of unboxings, or this box in particular, popping up on the YouTubes like 1,000 times in the last 12 hours. So they must have sent out a big shipment. And I was one of them that they were shipping to. So here we go. Now I have never gotten anything from Foxy Fix, so this is gonna be a surprise for all of us. Do you like my sloth washi that I used to cover my address? Isn't that great? It's from Michael's. I absolutely love it, but the stick is terrible. Hardly sticks to anything, so don't buy it. Just look at it and think about how cute it is. I know about these things. I knew to expect them. So this is the Foxy Fix Lush Black Beauty. It's pretty. I don't really know what to do with this. Everyone seems excited when they unbox it, but I mean, yeah, it's a piece of leather. It's pretty. I'll do something with it. Foxy Fix cards. I'll probably have to put one of those in my journal to signify that I got my order today. And then I'm very carefully going to dig out my thing. Well, they put it all the way at the bottom so that you have to spill some of these things. All right. So this is a notebook cover. They call it B6S notebook cover, and I think they call it that because it was made for the Stalogy, maybe? But I don't know if they even make this anymore. All right, let's see what we got here. This bag is pretty. I like this design. I might have to copy that in my journal too. Here, I'll zoom you in. Handcrafted customizable leather notebook covers and ring binders. Oh, how pretty. This is in the poppy color. And it's a notebook holder. This is cute. I like the poppy color. It's a pretty, it's like a pinky red. I don't know what it looks like online, but I got it to house this little cat notebook, which I knew it would be too big for. Like, I knew it wouldn't fill this whole thing, but I thought maybe it would protect this. The only bummer is I lose this little pen loop, but I'm thinking that I liked this had an elastic because, like, if I'm carrying it somewhere, I like that it stays closed. And I kind of liked that it was a little bit bigger so it protected my tabs and stuff. And then this is cool because since it's a little bigger, I can just slip this Sharpie pen, which is what I use in here, in this, which is kind of neat. I like that. It says Foxy Fix on the back. I like this poppy color. It's very smooth. I don't think it scratches easily. If it does, that doesn't bother me. I don't care. But the thing that I like about this notebook cover is I can also I can use it for other notebooks that I have, like of this size. Like this is my notebook that you saw me make, my YouTube notebook. And something like this would fit in there, would slide in perfectly. I can't really slide it in because this leather pen loop will be in the way, but you can see, like if I were to slide it in here, you can see that the size, it would fit perfectly. And a notebook like this would be really pretty. So this would fit like a bullet journal or, you know, anything like that. Ooh, that is pretty on there. So that's cool, but I wanted it for my little cat planner. That might change. I was this close to ordering a Stalogy 365 to do my little doodle every day, but then I decided to use my my weekly Hobonichi calendar that I had ordered because I wasn't using it for anything and I didn't know what to use it for. So, oh, my mom gave me this little sticky note. She got these at Michael's because she thought they were so funny, and they are really cute. So I was gonna stick it in my journal or something because it's so cute. So cool, guys, I like this. I know this isn't like a super exciting unboxing, and I know that a lot of you are like, oh God, pink, shoot me in the head. Because I don't know, for some reason people on YouTube always just unbox brown notebooks. Y'all love brown. Well, I love brown too, but I like this pink. It's fun and it's cheerful. So I can take that in an Iowa winter. I like how it lays really flat when you open it up. Let's see, is there anything I want to put in the pockets? In the pockets. Let's see. Any sticky notes or whatnot. This is my thing of old sticky notes. Realize I had different color Sharpie pens in here. They're older than dirt. I bet they are all dried out. I wonder if I could stick these somewhere. There. There we are. I think it holds my pen tight enough so my pen won't fall out. And I can also just put my pen back in here. I like my little gold with the pink too. Maybe I should try and put my little llama face in here. I don't know how I would display her. Oh, that makes me laugh. My mom goes, doesn't she just look like a mother llama? I don't know what that means, but she does. Have you ever seen a llama as serene looking as that one?
You just want to talk to her and tell her all your troubles.
Okay. That's it, guys. That's my Foxy Fix unboxing. I like it. Yeah, I don't really have much more to say than that. I'm not gonna like review it because I wouldn't know what to say. The stitching looks nice. The leather looks pretty. The color's pretty. It's leathery. That's where they back stitched. Looks pretty good to me. See, anything I see like this, I'm like, well, it's better than I could do. So I think it's cool. I don't know. The sides have a little bit of like fray or whatever from the raw leather, but I like it. I ordered a white elastic, which I know some of you are gasping. It's gonna get dirty. I can always change it, I'm sure. But I just liked the crisp, clean look of the pink and the white. I don't know. I'm pretending like there was a rhyme or a reason to all this. There wasn't. It was a stress order, and that's all there is to it. But I do really like it. I think it's pretty. And it will serve my needs. And when it stops working for my needs in this, I can always put another notebook in it. So yeah, I'm stoked. Cool, man. I'm happy. My first Foxy Fix unboxing, and I'm pleased. So neat. Thanks for watching, and if I missed something glaringly obvious, let me know. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.